Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking the router's online LED and confirming the SSID and password. This saves time when you connect. On your computer, enable the Wi-Fi adapter or plug an Ethernet cable into the LAN port so you have a stable link. Once done, open your system's network settings. You want your computer actively scanning for networks. This is the first actionable step because a visible SSID and an active adapter are required to complete authentication and obtain. Now choose the Smart Bro Home SSID and initiate connection. You must enter the Wi-Fi password exactly, so use the show option to confirm characters if available. If the computer requests network type, select private for home sharing. For Ethernet, make sure the adapter is set to DHCP unless your ISP gave a static IP. This assigns DNS and gateway automatically. After authentication, wait for the system to obtain an IP address. That's how your computer is routed to the internet through the router. Finish by verifying connectivity. Open a browser and load a web page or run a quick ping to 8 to confirm packets pass. If you see no IP or limited access, reboot the router and your computer. That clears temporary conflicts. Make sure the router's firmware and your network adapter drivers are current. And as a key troubleshooting tip, factory reset the Smart Bro Home only if you can reconfigure it. Resetting clears credentials, but restores connectivity when configuration issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.